I've just stepped up on my soapbox. Now I'm stepping off. Now I'm back on. And it just hits me like a fucking ton of bricks, man. Okay? This is a second installment of Andy Warhol's grievances with the fucking rain, man. Okay? You guys have seen it. You've heard about it on your fucking news programs, MSNBC, whatever it takes to get it through your fucking head. Whatever I have to do to tell you guys about the rain. It's a fucking atrocity. Okay? It's a scum of society. You guys get it? You guys fucking get it? You get it now? Okay? I walked home from school today, and I was soaked from head to toe with rain. Alright, now look at it! That was less than an hour ago. Why is it that the rain gets to do whatever it wants? It can come and fucking go, la-di-da, whatever it wants to. But I'm stuck here, fucking trapped in the moisture coming from the skies. Nobody wants that! This is a fucking waste of our resources that has to go in this fucking steady cycle. Like it's a fucking never-ending pendulum and we're trapped in it. We're fucking trapped, man. You guys understand? Now! What I have to deal with! If you live in some kind of backwards fucking country where it doesn't rain, more power to ya. But this is what it's like over here in ass Michigan. We're getting constantly barraged with the metallic fury of rain every day of our lives. Now, what can one man do to help this rain epidemic? I need some help from you guys! Alright? I really do. I'm not an idiot. I realize that you guys are too fucking lazy to get off your dumb asses and stop watching my blogs. The son of Andy Warhol at youtube.com. To get out there and do something about this rain. And if you're like me, and you don't work out, you don't do shit for your health, and you've got a fupa from hell, then, you know, you're not going to be too willing to get out and do something. But the one thing you can do is whenever it rains, is to barricade yourself into any small room of your house. Take, you know, any kind of a long object and whip yourself. Act like a snake. Act like a snake. Act like a snake. You know, that's what you gotta do. Because that scares the rain into a submitted state. Submissive. You can also take these, the things from your toaster strudels. If you know anything about Ricky Martin, you should know a thing or two about these little bastards. The toaster strudel things. You can take those, pour them all into your mouth, walk out to the front lawn or whatever, and go and spit it everywhere. Because then the rain says, holy shit, these guys mean business. This is another way you can help. You can buy these. I know you guys are fat and you like to eat. Just like me, in my fupa, fat upper pussy area. or pubic area if you're a fucking man. You know, you guys can make these simple steps in your everyday lives to help us change this. Who really fucking appreciates the rain? Not I. Not the viewers. Not you guys. Not you bloggers. Not you internet people. Because we all know you fuckers don't ever go outside. You know, the main enemy here is the rain and the fuckers who drink it. These fuckers, these sons of bitches have to be stopped. Alright? The rain is a fucking menace to society. We have to end it now!